Want to learn some belly rolls and reverse belly rolls? It may take you some time to master. It took me months to get comfortable, so don't worry, but you'll get there eventually. I have some tips that may help you, so check it out. Start standing tall, shoulders pressed down, lift the rib cage up. We're going to do a series of little pulses with our rib cage. This helps tone the area, our midsection that we're going to use for belly rolls, but it also helps open up the diaphragm, which is so important to get oxygen flowing as we're doing this. So do as many of these as you need to. Now we're going to take a deep inhale, press the belly button so far in, it's as if your belly button wants to reach your spine. So press it all the way in as far as you can. Hold it. And then when you're able to exhale, let it out gently. So now you're bringing the belly all the way out. And then once again, press it all the way in. Inhale. And on an exhale, bring it all the way out. And just keep doing this inhalation and exhalation, pressing the belly in and then bringing it out until you feel comfortable. This is a great way to learn isolation of that midsection because we're going to be using this entire section for our belly rolls. Now, once you've become good friends with your belly, we're going to alternate the in and out movement by dividing your abdomen into top and bottom. So you're going to push in the top and then push in the bottom. So kind of dividing it into two sections, top and bottom. Bottom, top, bottom, top. So you're pushing, alternating each one in. This is a little more challenging and takes time to master. So just be patient with yourself and be sure you're doing the previous in and out movement of the entire abdomen before you do this one. And once you're comfortable and you've mastered that, you can try some belly rolls. And then in reverse. Again, this is very challenging and it does take time. So just be patient with yourself and you'll make it.